Welcome to Discover Tech. Today's adventure features some fortunate lumberjacks. Their experiences are a vital reminder of the need for caution in our work. Here's to good luck. Let's get started.
Today.
This level of damage shows how powerful nature can be. A falling tree isn't just an inconvenience, it's a serious threat. Always assess the risk carefully.
We're still gonna have to get another piece off. It's a $1 million mistake right here. Getting up or out. All the way down to the foundation.
This incident is a clear reminder of why proper safety gear is essential. A 10-foot fall could have ended very differently. Thankfully, no serious injuries were reported.
Все, дай ход.
This feels like a scene ripped from a survival thriller. You can't look away. I held my breath while watching it. During severe storms, hydraulic excavators fitted with grapples are vital in emergency operations. Their ability to swiftly clear debris that obstructs water flow helps mitigate flood damage significantly. Working in such dangerous conditions demands both skill and precision. Improper handling can put lives and equipment at serious risk. Watching the floodwaters recede rapidly after clearing the debris beneath the bridge was a powerful reminder of their impact. We are sincerely grateful for these quiet heroes and continue to pray for their safety. Well, it seems that tree just taught Grandpa a thing or two. Everything was falling apart, except that soup. Man had his priorities straight. Impressive comeback. The root ball has returned and looks healthier than ever.
Well, it looks like it found its way back in.
Oh my God!
There's something wild about watching machines challenge the elements. But nature always has the final say. What do you think is about to unfold? Pretty sure my heart tried to escape my chest during that.
Nick!
It's hard to believe they expected that to succeed. Even a semi-truck would have struggled, and that's saying something. solid advice. Certain tasks call for trained professionals. If something feels beyond your skill set, don't hesitate to ask for help. Prioritize safety. My father spent nearly 40 years as a logger. I grew up surrounded by the sound of falling trees and the hum of a saw. Sounds I've come to love deeply. He was a masterful faller, and in today's world, that kind of true timber work is becoming a lost art. It's a real pleasure to see someone who still knows what they're doing. It was a breathtaking moment, reminiscent of a live-action film set. The speed, the disorder, it's truly a relief no one was harmed. Just watching this gave me goosebumps. Can't imagine being the one actually up there with a saw. There are scarier things out there, sure, but this is pure madness.
Oh shit.
Looks like the repair bill just got even bigger. That's gotta hurt. Tree felling is no ordinary task. It's risky and unpredictable. Fortunately, with proper safety equipment and maybe a bit of luck, those lumberjacks came out without a scratch. Just looking at that view gives me chills. Now imagine standing up there with a saw in hand. Absolutely nerve-wracking. This image evokes a time long gone. Cross-cut saws like these are now relics of the past, familiar only to a fading generation. That moment could have ended very differently. You're lucky the saw took the impact. A stark reminder of how fast things can go wrong.
Holy shit!
Control is an illusion when dealing with trees. Nature always has the final say. Absolutely. A single lapse in focus can lead to serious consequences. Tree work requires complete attention, especially when you're tackling an old oak alone. It's a complex and risky task. You couldn't pay me enough to do that, but mad respect to the folks who can handle it. In Maine, the cold settles in deep come winter. That's why every fall, locals take to the woods with axes and saws in hand, cutting and hauling firewood back home. The rhythmic sound of saws, the crisp snap of branches, and the scent of fresh pine fill the air, setting the scene for the cozy nights by the fireplace that lie ahead. The 1920s new record drag saw, meticulously restored by Tom Dathan in 2008, stands as a remarkable testament to early 20th century innovation and craftsmanship. This machine embodies a pivotal moment in logging history, bridging the era of manual labor and the dawn of mechanization.
Then kicks in and refires it. That's they call a hit and miss. All of them had rosary verticals on them. Get hold of it at the time.
Proper safety equipment is essential, but situational awareness is equally important. Tree cutting carries real risks.
Oh!
It's remarkable how a single back cut can alter the outcome. Despite flawless execution, the tree's fall was unpredictable. A reminder that nature often has the final say. Another chainsaw down, gone but not forgotten. Ready for serious winter logging? The Kesla 12 MDH trailer, paired with the 305T loader, turns frozen forests into your playground. No more numb fingers or slick trails. This powerhouse combo is built to thrive in the harshest winter conditions. It came dangerously close, but I'm truly grateful everything was rescued at the last possible moment. Felling an old oak tree alone is no small task. It requires skill, precision, and full focus.
Los dos huevos ahí, así se trepa una encina vieja.
Situations like this serve as a clear reminder that safety gear isn't optional. It's essential. This is a clear setup for disaster. Prioritizing safety isn't optional. It's essential in every situation.
Zaten sen de tutmadı.
If this video sparks something in you, drop a 1 in the comments. Your energy is what powers ours.
Böyle bir şey istiyorsun ki biz neyine ben neyine.
Chop down trees, yay.
That moment was a stark reminder of how unpredictable tree work can be. When things go wrong, proper safety gear isn't optional. It's life-saving. Even at your most prepared, nature has a way of reminding you who's really in charge. This feels like a disaster waiting to happen. Without proper safety gear and with a poorly made notch, it's just a matter of time before consequences catch up.
The house is all
They did everything right, but that tree had a personal vendetta against that car. Just looking at that view gives me chills. And the thought of handling a saw up there, absolutely nerve-wracking. Even with all the courage in the world, I'm not sure I could ever pull off what that lumberjack just did.
So,
An excellent display of proper technique. This demonstration is part of a forestry course on safe and effective tree felling. The sudden collapse was like an explosion, startling and dangerous. This clearly shows the risks of leaving dead trees unattended. Setbacks like this remind us how unpredictable life can be. But with faith and unity, I believe the church community will rise above it. Tree removal is a specialized job for a reason. This isn't something to take on without proper training and equipment. Amazing what a few extra feet of rope can do.
А как вот этому-то видюху показывал?
О, видал, он ее подвязал.
Не тоже скинешь. Нихуя он хотел удержать.
The SOK Veloth wood splitter is engineered for efficient and straightforward log splitting, particularly suited for large and dense trunks. Unlike conventional hydraulic or mechanical splitters, it utilizes inertia and a sharp striking force to split wood, resulting in a more energy efficient and user-friendly operation. Ah, yes, the classic silent fall. Because who needs a warning, right? This custom-built machine showcases an impressive blend of power and efficiency. Its distinctive design, featuring a rotating drum saw and an integrated conveyor system, operates with remarkable precision. It's truly impressive how a DIY build can reach such a professional standard.
Gar nicht schnell. Rein alleine schon ziemlich schwer, muss man sagen. So weit. Wahnsinn.
This homemade log splitter is a prime example of practical engineering designed to address specific challenges. Whether it's tackling oversized, stubborn logs or maximizing speed and efficiency, every element serves a clear purpose. Big logs, handled, need fast processing, no problem.